Good morning, and I'm really tired. I have no sleep for 2 days. Not in the mood si Leo. Punta kami mamaya ng doktor around 4:30 this afternoon. Nasa school siya dahil hindi siya ihi ng okay lang 7 hours, pero ano na yun, last Sunday 22 hours hindi siya nakaihi talaga. So pagising na dun pa siya naihi, parang from 7 a.m. in the Sunday in the morning, then Monday at nakaihi siya ng 6:20, 6:15 in the morning. So very alarming. Ito yung buhay namin dito sa Japan. Living with a special needs child is not easy talaga. I have an asthma attack. Nakatulog. Hindi. Kailangan maglinis. Hindi ko to na fold. Siguro almost a week na. Nasa sampayan lang. Ang hirap talaga. Hindi enough yung support system. Yung family kami lang dito, 3. Tada niya, ako, at saka si Chibi. So Chibi is not good here talaga. Okay yung benefits ng Japan, helping special needs, people with special needs, child with special needs. Nandyan yung mga free medical, may allowance, free yung therapy. Pero yung therapy is not enough. Iba talaga yung Pilipinas. Ay, ganito yung buhay. I'll see you in my next video. This is just a very small, short vlog. Very short vlog. So, gagawa ko ng video. Paano mabuhay dito sa Japan having a special needs child. Kung ano yung mga advantages, disadvantages. Marami kasing nagtatanong sa akin kasi dadalhin nila dito yung anak nila, magtatrabaho sila dito. Yung iba is nandito na, tas kukunin nila yung mga may anak nilang may autism. So I'll answer your questions in my next video. Sa ngayon, ninja moves muna. Bye! Hope you like this raw video.